Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: Herbalife Sleep Enhance, the provided scoop, and a glass with 120-240 ml of cool water or a non-caffeinated drink. Measure 1 full scoop exactly. The label is your guide. Once measured, add powder to the liquid and stir briskly until dissolved, no clumps. Take this dose 30 to 60 minutes before your target sleep time so the active ingredients begin working as you wind down. Make sure lights are dim and screens off for best effect. Once the powder is in your glass, stir for 20 to 30 seconds or use a shaker to ensure full dissolution. Texture affects absorption, so don't rush it. If you're sensitive to supplements, start with 1/2 scoop for 3 nights to gauge how you respond, then adjust to 1 scoop if tolerated. Make sure to take it at the same point in your evening routine each night. Consistency trains your body and improves reliability. Also, avoid late caffeine and large meals that can blunt effects. Finish your drink about 15 to 30 minutes before you intend to sleep, sipping slowly if your stomach is sensitive. Settling in with a short wind down helps. Once done, make your environment sleep-friendly, cool, dark, and quiet. If you see no benefit after 7 nights, reassess dose and timing, check for interactions with prescriptions, and review evening diet. A quick troubleshooting tip: if it feels ineffective, try 1/2 scoop or shift, dosing earlier by 15 to 30 minutes to better match your natural sleep onset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.